Hi traders, my name is Tim Blanchard. I'm a professional trader and I've been trading the markets for about 30 years and about 15 in the forex. I'm also the author of forexinsidernews.com, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about confluence and how it works, and also some of my favorite entries. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see here, I have a Euro GDP 1 hour on the chart. And you can see we have a nice uptrend. You can see the moving averages going up. And again, today I'm going to talk a little bit about confluence and what it is and how it works. In case you don't know what confluence is just when things line up. And in my case, I like to see an upper time frame and a lower time frame line up to give me confluence. So let's take a look at in this case, we're on the hour. So we'd go up to the 4 hour and just take a look. Now, I didn't cherry pick the charts or anything, guys, here. And you can see here's a nice confluence. Just happened to be, we got a nice move right here and showing a confluence here. So let's go back down the hour and I'll show you some of the entries that I use for my trading. Now, some of my favorite entries are candlesticks. Everybody's heard of candlesticks, but I don't use any of the exotic stuff. I have 3 candlestick patterns that I really like. And the first one is a pin bar entry. Now, everybody's heard of a pin bar entry. And the other candlestick that I really like is a piercing line, and I also use an engulfing. Now those are 3 of the high probability candlesticks. Now you can see right here I have a line right here that I have an engulfing right there, and it's pretty easy, guys. You know, let me drop a line here. You can see right there I got a line drop there. We got in on the close of the candle, and it shot right up for about a 1.5 to 1 risk reward. Would have done pretty well. So let's look here. You know, again, you've got this momentum with these moving averages. This is really a nice chart, guys. You know, I've been doing this a long time, and I still can't pick tops and bottoms. I know there's a lot of guys out that say, "Oh, let me show you the special strategy how I can pick a top and bottom." And you know, I don't know how much money they make a year. I do this professionally and been doing this a long time, and it's not easy. Anybody says, "Oh, it's magic," and you know you can get this magic software and you're going to get, you know, if it's so great, why don't they just use it and getting rich, guys? Why are they trying to sell it to you? Okay, you know, here I'm trying to help you out. You know, I make money doing this. It's not easy. It's a job. You need to treat this as a job. You know, this isn't a part-time thing where you can say, "Hey, I'm going to get rich trading." No, it's not the way this works, guys. You have to treat this as a business and approach it as a business. You don't get into any trade unless you know why you're getting in, you know, where you're getting out, and all of those things. You really need like a business plan. You need a trading plan, and I really believe that. And some of the misunderstood things in the marketplace is money management. You know, most guys don't know how to manage their money. They think they need the best strategy, the newest strategy, and that's not the case. You need to know how to manage your money. So let me get into another entry here. Now, that was a nice little entry there. Now we have a nice little pullback over here again. Let me move this over here. You've got another engulfing candle. You know, I didn't cherry pick this, guys. Again, this just happens to be where they're falling, and it's another one. You get in, put your stop 3 or 4 pips below the candle. Here, you get on the close of the candle, or you can wait till it breaks the candle top again, and then of course you have a nice move. But you know, I'm looking for 1.5 to 2 risk reward. Some guys like to let it run. In this case, if you're a little patient, you could have picked up quite a bit more. Now let's look and see. There's another engulfing. There's, you know, when you have this flow, as we'll call it, okay, and you get the river and you take a lot of the rocks out of the way when you have confluence, and it just gives you that more of the flow, we should call it. And when you get in the trade, it's going to give you that extra safety to kind of push you through your trade. When you're trading against those upper time frames, a lot of times they'll come back down and just push you down or slap you down, as they say, and you know, and it happens really quickly. If you're not looking at those upper time frames for at least the one above you, or if not 2 above you, for confluence, you know, you're really making a mistake, guys. And really, here's another one. There's another engulfing. I haven't seen any piercing lines in here, but no, there's a little pin bar right there, guys. That's a pin bar. Let's see here. Yeah, let's move that line down below. Let me drop a line on that so you guys can see it a little better. Right there. There you go. And you know, we're looking at up here. It looks like about a 1. I drew it out earlier. It's about 1.5 to 1 risk reward, guys. You know, pretty nice trade. this engulfing. Let me draw a line on this golfing. There's like 4 trades I found, guys, and I wasn't really, you're just being patient. And the other thing you guys need to learn, if you can't find what you're looking for, don't force it. Don't donate money to the market. I mean, go buy your pair of Adidas or something, guys, and enjoy it. Look at that. I drew that because I didn't draw it earlier. Pretty nice. Don't give the money to the market. Keep it in your pocket. Be patient and wait for your trades. So that's all I have for you today. I just kind of wanted to go through 3 or 4 nice trades, which we found 4 really nice trades on the hour chart, guys. And the other thing is, guys, if you're not an experienced trader, don't trade those lower time frames. Don't try to trade on the 5-minute and the 15-minute unless you guys really know what you're doing. You're just going to be giving money to the market. Don't do it. If you want to be a successful trader, be patient, have a plan, and you'll make money. It's like any other business. I'm going to give you one other thought before I go here. 90% of all businesses fail in the first year. And we already know that 90% of all traders lose money. There's a kind of a correlation there, guys. Neither one of those guys probably had a plan. I read somewhere that the franchise businesses, about 90% of them make it. Now, they make it because they have a plan. And the guys that are successful in the forex or in any trading have a plan of how they're going to execute, what they're going to do, how they're going to money manage, and lay everything out before you pull the trigger. So I'm going to leave that with you today. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to talking to you soon.